everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to add two-factor authentication to your Bitget wallet app. Adding two-factor authentication to your Bitget wallet app involves enhancing its security beyond just your password. Here's how it generally works. Bitget Wallet allows for the binding of Google Authenticator to the wallet itself. This adds an extra layer of security on top of the password that is set within the app. This means that even if someone knows your password, they still need a constantly changing code from your Authenticator app to access your wallet. Now, this is how to add two-factor authentication. Open your Bitget Wallet app, navigate to the settings section, look for security or advanced settings or a similar option. Within the security settings, locate the option related to Now you open the Bitget Wallet app and navigate to settings section Look for security or advanced settings or a similar option. Then within the security setting, locate the option related to Google Authenticator or 2FA. Select the option to enable 2FA. The app will display a QR code or a secret code. Open your Google Authenticator app or another comparable Authenticator app and scan the QR code or manually enter the secret key into the Authenticator app. The Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit verification code. Enter this code into the Bitget Wallet app to confirm the linking. So wallets will provide recovery codes. Save this in a very safe place. Confirm the 2FA setup within the Bitget Wallet app. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.